This week on The Brief, your AI-generated text is about to be watermarked, social media is having a reckoning, and OpenAI's computer history draws a line in the sand on the future of AI. 90 seconds on the clock, let's go. Anthropic announced it's adding hidden watermarks to all text generated by Claude using a probability system. So it's not a visible watermark. The hidden tag is baked into the actual text that is generated. I studied it. It is technically impressive, but too complicated to explain here. DM me if you're interested. Zooming out, we know how this goes. The social liability of being caught using AI creates incentives to hide it, which creates incentives to detect it, which creates incentives to hide it better. So what you end up with is a cat and mouse game where everyone expels resources trying to stay ahead of each other instead of actually regulating or deciding whether AI content should be allowed at all. Let's talk justice. Multiple courts have dismissed appeals from Meta, Google, TikTok, and Snap, which means thousands of child safety lawsuits are potentially moving forward. So because there are so many, the courts are grouping these cases together and creating bellwether trials. So if one succeeds, the precedent spreads to the larger group. It's like a class action lawsuit, except each individual case is its own case, not one big settlement. Big picture, this means platforms are going to be forced to change. Time limits, auto-playing videos may go away. All the mechanisms that kept you scrolling could be under question. 2026 is the year social media has a reckoning, which means innovation slows dramatically as all these platforms are forced to be on the defense. We are about to enter a post-social media era. OpenAI just released Computer History, a feature that gets access to everything on your computer, from files to mouse movements and clicks. It watches everything you do and learns your patterns to suggest automations and help you finish tasks you started. This story is the tension of the AI era. Surrender everything, go surveillance state, and maybe your AI assistant will be super valuable, or maintain a modicum of privacy and your AI will lack context and utility. Early adopters might do it and find the value is real, but the masses are not going to surrender that much without trust and regulation, and we do not have either one right now. So will the value be so good it convinces people to do this, or does privacy win and this becomes the needle prick into the consumer AI bubble? I'd love your opinion. Email me at matt@m7innovations.co and let's hear your thoughts. That's all the time that we have for the M7 Innovation Brief. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.